Welcome back everyone. Today we're making spicy mushroom curry. For this you'll need mushrooms, 2 onions chopped, methi, garlic, ginger blended, salt, turmeric, chili and oil. Okay, let's get started. We've got a pan on with a little bit of oil on. It's been on medium heat, so it's nice and hot. And we're going to stick in the onions now. Okay, we're just going to add 1 tablespoon of salt and ginger and garlic paste. Give that a good stir and let that cook up. And add some chili. Okay, the onions are starting to brown off and the ginger and garlic, chili. It's now time to add some turmeric. And some methi. Okay, I think it's time now to add the mushrooms. Give them a good mix. They need to be coated well in with the onions and okay, let's have a look now. Our mushrooms are done. I'm just going to give them a little mix around and add some coriander. Beautiful, and that's looking really nice and smells gorgeous. Okay everyone, that's spicy mushrooms curry ready now and looks absolutely delicious. Please let us know if you give it a go and if you like it, and let us know if there's anything else you would like us to cook. Please like and share and leave any comments. Please subscribe and we'll catch you on the next one.